I featured the Mous Limitless case several times in the past, and for good reason. I really like to throw it around because they've got this green goopy stuff on the inside they call AeroShock, which I've tested extensively and for the most part can even handle this. Surprising, I know, given how simple the case looks, you wouldn't expect it from the outside. But yeah, I do this a lot for fun. Combine that with the thick lip along the top and bottom of the front screen, it's one of those cases I can confidently recommend to anyone who likes to do this a lot. As a case though, the buttons are raised and very clicky, a large lip around the camera lenses as well, with proper cutouts for the rest of the phone too. In usage, it does feel thicker than most cases, but also way slimmer than most tough cases out there, and still very manageable one-handed as well. However, you do get what you pay for. These backplates are the real deal. Like this actual slither of walnut. You've also got the option for leather and even carbon fiber too. My favorite goes to this speckled fabric though. It's sort of like holding a basketball. It's kind of rubbery but also very grippy. To top off this one, yes, with that added thickness, you're still getting some really strong magnets too.